Morning.
Morning guys, day 2 in La Línea de Concepcion, and today we're going to
Algeciras.
Yes.
We're going to catch the bus down the road, meet up with Dawn and Ken, catch the bus, go there, see what's there.
Yeah.
See what happens. We was going to stop round here, but it doesn't seem to be much
Go back
round
into
here.
Gibraltar. Go back into Gibraltar, but we're not doing that anyway.
No, we're going there tomorrow.
So look at the view from our balcony. I'll turn you around.
Show you around.
Show you around. There's a cracking view. One of the best views you've had this, I think.
Take outside.
You got all the ships moored up in the bay there. Loads of ships moored up in the bay. If I turn to the left, some falling over Alison. There's the Rock of Gibraltar. It's a pretty quiet street though, isn't it? Yeah, it's a quiet street. But what I can't understand is why the house is like that. The prime position is going to rack and ruin. You got your cranes down there. There's a dock down there, I think, or something.
A what?
A dock or a lot of building were going on down there.
Found out when we passed it on the bus. I ran all down there this morning.
Did you see them cranes down there? No.
It was dark.
Was it? Some views of the, is it Bay Gibraltar that? I think it's the Bay Gibraltar, isn't it? And so catching the bus all the way around to that side there somewhere.
Yep, Algeciras.
Algeciras.
Another look at the rock before going.
Yeah, look at the rock from outside. And today, Alison, we've got
blue skies.
Clear blue skies. Look at it. It's great. This year was raining a bit.
Shades today.
Definitely.
Right, let's go.
Let's go.
Right, let's go. We're going to Algeciras now. Stephen's here waiting on the corner, touting for business. Dawn and Dawn's putting the shades on. So when you walk down this street, yep, you're looking very cool there, Dawn. Oh yeah, mind the dog muck. And there's the rock. Cross over here. Is one of my buddies there, my running buddies, Stephen.
Yeah.
Crossing. No, it's here. Oh, your sense of direction, Stephen.
Yeah, you one there too.
Yeah, but that's in the wrong direction.
What was that way? Yeah, what was there? So anything interesting?
Well,
there's the rock. And there's the bus stop.
They're on that side, aren't they? Where does the bus?
Bus 120. It's here, bus stop.
Yeah, no, the bus.
Right, so we've arrived. Algeciras. Garlic.
garlic.
We're just heading, just found a market, haven't we? So we're going to head towards the market, have a look round.
To Algeciras.
Algeciras. See what's round here. Dawn's got a map for Ken. Let's have a look round.
Fish there.
Oh yeah. Look at that fish, Dawn.
Where am I looking?
Straight in front.
Kippers? Are they kippers?
Or the cup. They'll not be Manx kippers, will they?
They do look a bit like, ooh.
Oh, what are they?
Oh, look awful.
Ken?
They look like they're flattened.
Look at them.
Being flattened. They do look like a bit like kippers.
Yeah. Fruit stall part there.
Socks?
Yeah. Socks are more than just socks.
I always laugh when I hear that about
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it.
It's all food.
Must be.
Olives. Is it olives?
Inside now.
Yeah. Christmas tree's still up.
Yeah. Stinks in here.
There's some nice smells in here.
massive piece of meat.
Yeah. Ooh. Fish.
Is that tuna, that? I bet that's tuna.
Looks like it, yeah. Crab.
Well, if you're going to Tangier or Ceuta, that's where you get your ferry from. And you can see that sign or not. It's Tangier and Ceuta. Oh, and Tarifa up there. And the ticket office is, hello guys, over there. As of today, it costs €89 return.
Or
45 single or 89 return.
So all along then, there's not just that one ticket office.
No, there's a few ticket office there, so you see one down there.
Yeah.
Ceuta, Tangier, ticket office ferries. So if you're in La Línea or Gibraltar, it's easier to get here.
Catch the
It
bus
costs
from
us
La Línea.
€2.06 from La Línea on the bus. And then you can catch the ferry to Tangier or Ceuta. From there, busy, that port.
Yeah.
How busy it is.
There you go, Ceuta and Tangier.
Ceuta and Tangier. I don't know what else is in, where are we now, Alice? What's it called, this place?
We're in Algeciras.
Algeciras. I don't know what else is here, but we'll find out. We'll take for a walk round.
It's sunny.
It's sunny, that's a plus, and it's warm. And it's January.
And like we said, it's flat.
It's flat, sunny and warm, and it's January. That wind's picking up though. That wind's picking up though. Where's that door? It's third ticket office down there. There's just one there. Where's the other ones?
There are the ones. What we stumbled upon.
Two different buildings it's telling you about. It must have looked like that originally. Like a castle. Fortifications, I suppose, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't
Oh,
understand.
that's that what we could see from up there.
Yeah. Oh, that's there, yeah, look.
Yeah. Let's have a look. No walls.
I think that's like a drain, like a water
Looks
system
like it,
type.
yeah. Across to the park, there's more in, nice the water wheel there. More walls. Big wheel. This was the royal bathrooms. Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
I just like that thing in Marrakesh.
In that palace.
No, other place.
Oh, in Riyadh.
Riyadh.
Yeah.
I would have been about Marriott in Marrakesh.
Don't know if you can see it properly. It says Que bonita es menina. Stumbled upon a little square. Nice here.
Yeah.
The church
Little plaza.
at the plaza. Yeah. The seats. Telling a story.
It's a story.
Yeah. We do.
Little church over there.
Yeah, little church over there. Fountain's nice. That big one. Who did you say you thought it was? Don Quixote?
Don Quixote.
This one here.
Don Quixote.
Right, back at our apartments. So, another good day. We went to Algeciras. Nothing much there, was there?
Nothing a lot
But
there.
it was alright for a change. Bus ride out.
Change. No
So we're
tourists.
back at the hotel now. So I'm just going to show you our room. This is the AC Linea de la Concepcion by Marriott.
Big room.
So yeah, so see what we get. So there's the door. That's the bathroom door. Then you come in the bathroom. Hello.
Hello.
You've got all your toiletries if you need them. All them there. Good shower, powerful shower.
Hair dryer.
Bidet, toilet. You've got your hair dryer. And they give you all these kits here. And you come through, wardrobe with lighting. Very nice. But that's just the other part of the wardrobe. And you come through, you've got like a, I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's for your case or it's a seat. You can sit on it, it's comfy. Nice bed. big room, and then you've got your chair there for reading or whatever, your table, and then you come over here, you've got your desk, your waste bin, coffee making facilities. You get 2 pods, 2 milk, sugar, they're our own, that's some water they gave us, television, fridge. There's nothing in the fridge, only our snacks what we brought with us. And then you go outside.
Back in you.
Oops, can't get out.
Hang on.
Open the door, right, Alison. So you come out, you've got a nice balcony here. I think it's no chairs, but a great view, cracking view. There's the rock, and then that part there, that's our balcony as well. So you come back in.
Look at the outlook.
Oh yeah. You come back in and you've got 2 more doors here, and these open up to another small balcony. You can come out, closer view to the rock. That's our street. There's the sea. Oh. And then you've also got artwork. Not know who's done that, but we've got artwork. So yeah.
Doesn't fit the frame though, does it?
No. So that's it. La Linea de la Concepcion, AC by Marriott.
And you've also got AC.
You've got AC if you need it. Yeah,
And
really
it's
good.
now January the...
I don't know what date it is.
What date is?
What time is it? Hold that a minute, let's see what date it is.
Yes.
It is January the 19th.
January the 19th today. And I'll just turn you around now. And that's
just
the
done
weather.
that.
Perfect. For
The
January the
weather.
19th.
Yeah, perfect. So tomorrow we'll show you the restaurant where we have breakfast.
Oh, breakfast bar, yeah.
Then we're off to back to Gibraltar, checking out, leaving our cases at the airport, and then going to explore in the rest of Gibraltar. Hopefully see some monkeys.
And we'll video that too.
We'll video that too. So, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.